Hello, my friends. I am here today with some amazing layouts. I'm so excited to share with you. These layouts were inspired by another Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that I admire greatly. Her name is Erin Jacobson, and she did a class for a lot of demonstrators and offered up these layouts as an incentive for all of you. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you the layouts, then I'm going to talk about the whole incentive part. Okay, so here we go. Here is the left side of the first layout, enjoying the simple things in life. All right, and then here's the right side. And I'm not sure if I can show you the whole thing together, but you can see most of it. Okay, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so that's the first layout. Here's the next one. This is the left side. So gorgeous. All right, and then here's the right side. All right, and I'll try and show you as much as I can of the two of them together. Okay, that's layout 2, and then here's layout 3. So there's a total of 3 2-page 12 by 12 layouts. So this is the left side. This is the right side. Okay, I'll show you the two together. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. So here's the deal. I have a cutting guide and assembly instructions for all 3 of these layouts. Okay. And I am going to offer them to you along with an opportunity to come to my studio and use my stamp sets and dies. All right. Not the paper. You have to buy the paper. All right. But you can use my stamp set and dies. And for a minimum of $75 purchase before shipping and taxes and everything, all right, you will at the very least get the cutting guide and the assembly instructions. All right. If you also purchase, and it can be within that $75, this paper pack, which is, no, I just forgot the name of it. Oh my gosh. It's the Waterside Retreat. Waterside Retreat. If you're interested in coming to the workshop, all right, I will publish the date. It's going to be near the end of this month, all right, which is June. Just, oh, sorry, my calendar is still on May. Can you imagine? Okay. Woo. All right, there we go. So it'll be June 27th, which is a Saturday. All right. And I'm offering you this workshop free of charge. You bring your paper and other supplies, and I will have the stamp set and the stamp sets and the dies here for you to use. All right. And then either way, even if you don't want to come to the workshop on the 27th, if you have your own supplies, let's say you purchase the entire collection, you'll still get the cutting guide and the assembly instructions with a minimum purchase of $75. All right, I'm very excited about this. These layouts are so much fun to create, and I just know you're going to really, really enjoy them. Okay, so all you have to do is make that purchase, and you have to make that purchase by, just let me look at the calendar again. Today is June 8th. You have to make that purchase by June, let's see, 17th. That's a Wednesday. So a little over a week. All right, so by June 17th, you have to have made a minimum purchase of $75. It can include this paper pack, oh my gosh, my brain is not working right. The Waterside Retreat paper pack. Okay, that's it. That's all I have to say to you. If you have any questions, You know where to find me, info@surescrapsalot.com. This is Valerie signing off for today.